me tell you a little bit about my family. I have a very happy family. There are four members in my family: my father, my mother, my brother, and me. My dad is great man. He has fantastic job. My mom is wonderful woman. He has many outstanding talents. My parents love me so much. My families support me in good times and bad times. They help me from many good hobbies. My mom and dad always tell me if I want to succeed, I need to have many good hobbies. We practice speaking English together every morning. We have dinner together every night. We talk about our problems. We share our joys. We exercise together and we relax together. The atmosphere in my family is fantastic. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching and listening. Goodbye and see you again.